This is a dial caliper. The dial caliper is one of the most widely used precision measuring tools and has many different things it can measure, such as outside depth, inside depth, step length, and hole depth.
These measurements have to be taken by different parts of the dial caliper. These parts include the outside measuring jaws, inside measuring jaws, step measuring faces, and hole depth measurements.
These partnered with the dial on the front of the dial caliper, which can give measurements accurate to the thousandth place. You will be able to measure super accurately on any face.
Before you do any readings with the dial caliper, you have to make sure it is calibrated. Loosen up the slider tightener screw and push the slider to the top of the bar where the outside measuring jaws are touching each other. Then loosen up the bezel tightener screw on the bottom of the dial and turn the bezel until the needle and zero line are matched. Tighten the bezel screw and you are ready to measure.
Now, let's delve into each component of the dial caliper. The outside measuring jaws, positioned at the top, are designed to measure external dimensions with precision. When you make a measure with the outside measuring jaws, make sure to use the smaller, bladed section on the end, and don't push the object you're trying to measure to the back of the jaws. Apply light to medium pressure when measuring outside depth, so it doesn't cut into the object and give inaccurate readings.
Moving on, the inside measuring jaws located towards the bottom are crucial for assessing internal dimensions accurately. The same rule applies for the inside measuring jaws as the outside, where you should only use the bladed section to measure. Push the jaws into the inside section and expand them until they are gently pressed against the inside walls, and read the measurement.
The step measuring faces found on the back side of the caliper help measure the difference in height between two surfaces. These faces have finely machined edges, allowing you to place the caliper over the stepped object. By aligning the faces with each step, you can obtain an accurate measurement of the height variation. This capability is invaluable in tasks where precision is needed.
Additionally, the hole depth measurer, often located at the bottom, is ideal for determining the depth of holes or grooves. Push the depth measuring stick into the hole you are trying to measure and level the end of the bar with the top of the hole you are trying to measure.
Combining these features with the dial in the front enhances accuracy. The dial provides readings down to the thousandth place, ensuring meticulous measurements.
It's essential to align the measurements on both bar and the dial, utilizing the fine-tuned precision of the dial caliper for accurate and reliable results.
In summary, the dial caliper's versatility makes it an indispensable tool for anyone requiring precise measurements in various applications.
Whether you're working in metalworking, woodworking, or any field demanding precision, the dial caliper proves its worth as a reliable and efficient measuring instrument.
One common mistake is not ensuring proper alignment of the measuring jaws. Misalignment can lead to inaccurate measurements. Another common mistake is having the slider move as you take the measurement. Use the slider tightener screw to tighten the slider around your object and then take the reading to ensure it doesn't move mid-reading.
Thanks for watching.